So, introduction to entrepreneurship. Good morning, dear student. Today we are. This is the first. This is introduction to entrepreneurship. The first course. The first lecturing. So, the content of this entrepreneurship with characteristic of successful entrepreneur, identifying business opportunity. I think you have started from far. Actually, this course is not the first time you have heard about entrepreneurship. It has 65 hours. So this course is going to how we are going to cover 30% online, 70% face to face. We shall have many assignments and two cuts. So cuts and assignment will be out of 60 as usual. Exam will be out of 40. Or attendance is compulsory at least 80%. You are required to attend at least 80% so that you can be allowed to sit for exam. All students are required to visit Inesimoto to follow course online. So there is course content. We shall look at introduction to entrepreneurship, who is an entrepreneur, characteristic of successful entrepreneur, identifying a business opportunity, evaluating business opportunity, economic consideration, financing the new businesses, measuring the potential success of new idea, putting the business idea into practice. We shall also look at the theories of on entrepreneurship. I think these things, this PowerPoint is jumping. I don't know what is the issue, but theories, we shall look at also theories about entrepreneurship, indicators of successful entrepreneurship in society, contribution of government on entrepreneurship development, why do people leave paid job to start their own businesses, and the importance of entrepreneurship in general. So as a student of level 1 economics or enterprise management, why do you need entrepreneurship? For what? Is it necessary? So we're going to look at the real importance of entrepreneurship. As you see the environment, today's world, we need to create many jobs as possible. We never study for job, but we study for becoming our own bosses. So we start to create a job. We are going to look at what motives a person to become entrepreneurship in the society, and then we end up with the challenges of entrepreneurship in development. So, who is an entrepreneur? Now you should ask yourself, who is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is actually a person who combines resources, identifies into opportunities, take risk, and make a decision to start that business or to reject. Actually, you become an entrepreneur when you have started your own business. An entrepreneur is someone who combines resources, identifies opportunities, take risk, and make a decision. So as you can see, this is the master of Facebook. I think you know about him. Is the person, an entrepreneur who invented the Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg. He was born in 14 May 1984. He's an American an entrepreneur. As a Harvard student, he founded the online social networking website Facebook with the help of fellow Harvard student. He who now serves Facebook as a CEO in 2018. Forbes magazine names world youngest self-made billionaire with the theoretical net worth. So we shall look at many entrepreneurs, different entrepreneurs and their businesses. But now to become entrepreneur, it's no more a joke. When you say that you decide to become entrepreneur, means that you are deciding something which is very good. You want to be one day to be counted as a billionaire. So to become a billionaire,